Traders, as we're looking forward into a new trading week, all I'm just gonna do is to just share to you guys weekly trading outlook and share to you guys what I look to possibly look forward into based on the trading phase that we always work on, which is nasdaq, gold, and usdcad. But before we get ahead on the video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and turn on the notification bell. Click that link to sign up with the broker that I like with another comment. Or if you're looking for a mentorship course, we have opened up exclusive 3-day one-on-one mentorship course. So link in bio, click that link, choose your course, and let's do the rest from there. Not without further ado, let me share to you guys what we might look to overcome for the coming week. And first pay for Nasdaq. And as you guys can clearly see, our current price on Nasdaq is currently bullish, right? So all I'm going to focus on, based on our trade idea, we're going to be waiting for confirmation. Understand that from every higher high, prices to give us a higher low, and from every higher high, prices to give us a higher low. So price gave us a higher high and a higher low and a higher high to end the week. So all we're going to be focusing on is for price to give us a higher low and then a break up of a higher high in correlation with a new higher high. But based on waiting for confirmation, this is also based on us having to understand prices trading in a high and low range of a support and resistance. So if price don't play out as you anticipate on our intraday move, then I guess we're gonna wait for the price to give us a reaction on support or on our resistance, and that's all we're gonna be focusing on because we're simply waiting for confirmation. There's so many conferences, there's so many anticipations, but I keep it the way we keep it. From every higher high, we need a higher low, and from every break above our higher high, there's a possibility of a possible new higher high. Second pick, which is gold. So gold, I'm gonna keep it the way I keep it, guys, because we're also waiting for confirmation. As you guys can clearly see, the prices will move renewed higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then a break, and then a trade below our resistance, right? So when you guys understand that if price gives you a break above and a break below and a retest below, there's a high possibility that price will move in a bear structure, but at the same time, the price will give us a break above, then I guess we might look to continue with our higher and higher low behavior, right? But at the same time, we're simply waiting for confirmation. This is based on us having to understand, based on a breakout in a retest and a break below and a retest below, this price gonna continue, or this price gonna give us a break above any possible new intraday high, and that's what we're going to be focusing on. Without further ado, last but not least, we have USD CAD. And as you guys understand that USD CAD, this is a major zone that price has been holding and trading on, right? So with a breakout, price gave us a retest. And all we're going to be focusing on is for price to continue moving to the upside only if we trade above our maximum hour zone, right? Because price gave us a break, and then price gave us a double top, and then now price is trading above our 37 zone. So we're gonna be focusing on what of a possibility of price continuing to the upside only if it will trade above. But if we break below, then I guess we're gonna look at it move to the downside. And that's all we're gonna be focusing on in the coming week on the trading pace that we always work on. So if you gain value, share the video to someone else, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment on the video, click that link to sign up with the broker that you trade with, and I recommend. And for the most part of it, follow our crypto channel. Link in bio. This is Hello, and we're gonna get you guys in the next video.